Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to English Listening and Reading Practice, Level 1. Today, we will listen to a simple and beautiful story. The name of the story is My Father. It will help you learn English. You will learn new words and short sentences. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. My Father. My name is Kirti Suresh. I want to tell you about someone very special. He is my father. His name is Mohan. He is 52 years old. My father is not rich. He is not famous, but he is a great man. He is my hero. My father is a farmer. He wakes up very early. He leaves home before the sun rises. He goes to the farm every day. He works in the hot sun. He works in the rain and cold too. He never stops. He never says, "I am tired." He grows rice, wheat, and vegetables. He loves the land. He says, "This land gives us food." He works with love and care. My father comes home in the evening. He is tired, but he smiles. He brings fresh vegetables for us. He sits with us and drinks tea. He did not go to big schools, but he knows many things. He knows the sky. He knows the soil. He knows the seasons. When I was small, he took me to the farm. He showed me how to plant seeds. He said, "One small seed can give us big food." I remember that day very well. He speaks less, but he does more. He helps poor people. He gives them food. He never says no to anyone. On Sundays, we sit under a tree. He tells me stories from his childhood. I listen carefully. I love his voice. I love his words. My father taught me to be kind. He taught me to be honest. He taught me to help others. He taught me to never lie. He does not wear fancy clothes, but his hands tell his story. His hands are strong. His face is kind. His heart is pure. When I feel sad, he talks to me. He says, "Do not worry, I am with you." His words give me strength. I feel safe with him. He dreams for me. He says, "Study well, be a good person." He wants me to be happy. He wants me to shine. Sometimes I see him look at the sky. He closes his eyes and smiles. He says, "Thank you" to God. He is full of peace. One day, I want to be like my father, strong, kind, and full of heart. My father is not just my parent. He is my best teacher. He is my best friend. He is my hero. I love my father very much. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, my friends, for listening to this story. I hope you liked it. You learned new words and sentences today. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Patch Your English. We will bring you more easy stories to help you learn English. See you in the next video. Bye for now.